In this clearing session, we drew the card Feel Good. And so we're going to do some clearing work to help you feel better and better and clear out anything that is stopping this. All right, so stay tuned. Hi, it's Robin here from Vibration Elevation. And today's card is from the Power of Intention deck by Wayne Dyer. And the card is Feel Good. And I'm going to read you the back of the card. So it says, say, I want to feel good when you're tempted to indulge in low energy thoughts. Wanting to feel good is synonymous with wanting to feel God. And remember, God is good and all that God created was good. Okay, so that's what we're going to look at. And we're going to look at how to feel good, how to not indulge in low energy thoughts. For me, low energy thoughts are negative energy thoughts, negative energy, and they're just the lower vibrational emotions, thought patterns, and all of that. So, and these are like a catch-22. When you're not feeling that great, when you're kind of low energy, you're going to have low energy thoughts. And I don't know if you've noticed, but when you're feeling really good and things are flowing and your day is just amazing, your thoughts are probably feeling pretty good too. And because it goes in a cycle. So if you give energy to low energy thoughts, they are going to continue keeping that energy going. They're going to keep you in a low energy field because you attract the thoughts by how you feel. So if you're in a low energy state, you're going to attract low energy thoughts. And it's sometimes pretty hard if you're in a low energy state to really start attracting good things because you're not a match to it. So what the trick is, well, obviously clearing, that's my thing, is if you're going to clear these thoughts, clear these negative energies, you're going to raise your vibration, and that's going to train your field to bring in higher thoughts. So wherever you're vibrating, whatever your frequency is, you're going to attract thoughts that are at a similar frequency. So that's why if you're feeling really good, you're going to be thinking pretty cool things. And if you're down in the dumps, well, more stuff is going to come at you like that, thoughts and situations. Now, a lot of people have negative energy stuck in their field, which brings, their thoughts are pretty much always negative because that's where they resonate. So the trick is to clear these low energy thoughts and then don't give in. If you have one, if something kind of pops in your head, dismiss it. Just go, no, I feel good. I feel good. And so actually, let's use that affirmation. I choose to feel good. I choose to feel good as our affirmation. And know that the more you say that and do this clearing, the better you're going to feel. Because it is all what you are attracting, what your attractor field is bringing to you, which is exactly what you are emanating. So you kind of have to go little by little. And obviously for me, clearing is the way to do it. So anyway, enough of that. Go ahead and say that affirmation either in your mind or out loud, and let's clear. Okay, so that is all done. And listen to this if you are starting to feel a little bit negative. This clearing can help bring you out of negative thoughts. And then you just choose not to pay attention, not to listen to any that keep presenting themselves, and eventually they will stop, or you'll be able to just kind of like dismiss them easily. So I hope you enjoyed this. Sorry it went a little over. And think about subscribing and get one of these every day and do a 5-minute clearing every day. Will raise your frequency so fast that you won't be attracting these negative thoughts. Okay, thanks again, and I will see you in the next one.